Okay, hey kids. Oh no,
Hey
wait.
kids.
You're someone's child, relax. Hey lovelies, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals, and again welcome back to the Protective Hairstyles Tip series.
Yes.
This is the third part of this series. We will be speaking about, okay, now you have your protective style. Now what?
What products must I use? What must I do? Do I put oil on my scalp? It's on vacation time.
Deuces, Bahamas. This is not a vacation. You must still take care of your hair. Attention all passengers. This is not a vacation. All passengers must please continue to take care of their hair. We will not be held liable for any hair that is not taken care of by passengers. Thank you. But seriously though, seriously, like, what are these vacations y'all are taking? It's like, oh no, when I'm in braids, I just don't do anything. We're not saying you must do the most. You can do less. You can do significantly less.
It's not no maintenance. It's low maintenance.
Or are the protective styles protecting us from wash day and hair care? I don't know. Okay, cool. So now you have your hair in and you're just gotten home and you're just like, ooh, Valorant, summertime. So the first step here is, firstly, actually this should have been part of another video maybe. Make sure that you have a routine in place, but it's fine. You can do this now that you have your cute hairstyle in. Think about how many times are you gonna wash your hair. Everybody's just looking at me like, wash hair
in protective style.
Like, I thought the whole entire point was like in chill. So
the point is your life can be easier by like 70%.
You don't tap out. You can actually get away with washing very minimally. You can do it like twice a month or once a week. Once a month. Sorry guys, not once a week. Once a month. And also, like, my key tip is get a balm spritz DIY bottle. Aloe vera juice, water, apple cider vinegar, just a touch, and even some lemon juice. And then some oils like tea tree, rosemary, peppermint. So your antifungal
oil?
Essential oil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I think it's the second time you mentioned oil.
And Jojo's just like, here, wonder.
Sorry. I was gonna do research on it later on. Like, I was thinking, clearly I don't know what this is.
You're like
Funny how
18 videos down the line. Nobody knows what a freaking oil is. Oil is essential oil. Okay, let's go over the spritz bottle again. In your spritz bottle, you can have some water, some aloe vera juice. I know, right? I'm just like the queen of aloe vera juice. And then you can go in with some antifungal, antibacterial ingredients like apple cider vinegar, lemon juice. Make sure you just like a touch of those. And then some essential oils like tea tree, peppermint, and
eucalyptus.
No, even like citron. Oh yeah, some eucalyptus, because
rosemary.
Now, and that's how you can get away with washing less. What are these smells? Oh my gosh.
Apple cider vinegar smell.
There you go. Yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, you could even do like some water and some oil.
Yeah.
You have like olive oil. That is also very nice.
Yeah,
like,
something.
The lazy version of things. Okay, cool. So the second part of this is edges. You need to continue to take care of your edges because they are the weak link of the family. The black sheep. And the nice thing about the spritzer is like, if you can do it daily, because
yeah,
like,
you can do it daily.
Done. And then like get in there and some oil on your edges as well. I prefer to do mine in the morning because then like I'm not like just rubbing it on pillows and wasting money.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I would even go as far as suggesting if you have your protective style for quite a long time and you're not washing as frequently as you would like to because you're scared of it getting fuzzy or whatever, then just at least wipe off the product from your edges, and you know, like twice a week, 3 times a week if you can on a daily basis, but you know, just to remove the product and let your edges breathe.
Yeah.
And then add some nice gentle oils, massage your edges.
You know, when you were saying that, I got such an amazing idea. You know, like how some people retouch their edges?
Yeah.
You could actually like retouch your edges by like removing the hair and then just washing.
Yeah.
Like cleansing, deep conditioning that section and then like braiding it again.
That's true.
What an amazing idea! I hope you guys think that that's an amazing idea also.
Yeah, so I guess just make sure you have a routine. Make sure you have a routine. Don't forget about your hair.
Okay guys, that was it for this video. Make sure that you've actually watched the other videos in the series because we really do touch on some essentials. We speak about what to do before and during installation.
Sorry, before we say bye, also comment down below what you do in your protective style routine. Do you have a routine, first of all? Be honest, it's okay.
Routine free.
Routine free.
Thank you for tuning into our channel. We appreciate your time that you took out. You could have been doing I don't know what. But thank you for dedicating the time to us. We appreciate you.